Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn something new. We will learn addition and subtraction through number grid. First of all, we will know what is a number grid. Writing numbers in rows and columns in tabular form is called number grid. Again, I am telling, writing numbers in rows and columns in tabular form is called number grid. Now you don't know what is rows and columns. I will tell. Writing number from left to right. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is called row. Okay, means horizontally if we write numbers, this is row. These are row. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4, 5, like this. If we write numbers up to down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means vertically if we write numbers, then it is column. How we are writing? Up to down. Then this is columns. Here 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns are here. 10 rows and 10 columns we have in writing numbers 1 to 100. This is called number grid. Again I am telling, writing numbers in rows and columns in a tabular form, means in a form of a table, then it becomes a number grid. We have taken here 1 to 100 number, so it is a number grid from 1 to 100. Now we will use this number grid to add the numbers and to subtract the numbers. How we will use? Let us learn. Here are some rules which we use in writing subtraction and addition. First rule, to add ones means only once we will add, like 10 plus 3 means you will add 3 ones in 10, means single digit. Here only 3 ones. It means if we add single digit number, means ones, then move forward. For example, we take any number we can take. We take 24 plus 3. Then how we will add? One number is given. You will find 24 in table. Circle it. You are adding 3 ones, means 3 is single digit number. So according to first rule, you will move forward. Move forward 3 steps starting from 24. 1, 2, 3. You will move forward 3 steps. 1 step, 2nd step, 3rd step. You are getting 27. And as I written 10 plus 3, then how we will use number grid? See where is 10 and 3 steps more. You will move forward. 11, 12, 13. So what will be the answer? 13. Hope first point is clear. To add ones, we will move forward from the given number to the next number. Okay, how many steps are given? Now second rule, to subtract ones, move back. Means as we were adding, we were moving forward. Now if we subtract, we will move backward. Means back we will go. Suppose we take any number, we take 17 and we have 2 minus 4. What will be the answer? We will first see first number in our number grid. Okay. Now we have to subtract 4. 4 ones. 4 is one digit number. So what we will do? We will move 4 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth, after fourth, moving 4 steps, which number we are getting in grid? 13. So our answer will be 13. How you will move? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. In 4th step, what number you get, that number you will write. Hope you understand. To subtract ones, we will move back. Third rule, to add tens, move down. Means if one digit number is not given, 2 digit number is given. Suppose we are giving 35 plus 20. Then how you will add? Using number grid. Sorry. See 35 in number grid. And as you are adding 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Then how? According to third rule, move down. Means 2 steps. 2 tens are here. Means 2 steps you will move down. 1, 2. What number you are getting? 55. So our answer is 55. Let's take another number. 43 plus 17. Then how we will add? By using number grid. First we see where is 43 in number grid? Here. Now we want to add 17. In 17, first we see how many tens and how many ones. So according to third rule, when we add 10, then we will move down. Means from 43 1 step. As here are only 1 10, so we will move down 1 step. 43 move down 1 step. Okay. We are getting 53. Now 7 ones are also here. So to add ones, we will move forward. Here we have to add 7 ones. So 7 steps we will move forward. From 53. 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 step, we are getting number 60. Like this you will move. Here our 7th step complete. Then our answer will be 60. Clear? I hope you are understanding. Let's take next rule. To subtract tens, move up. Means if we subtract any number, then and in that tens are there, okay, then we will move upside. Okay, let's take any number. Suppose we take 66. Okay, we have to subtract. We take another number 35. Okay, then how we will subtract? First we see how many tens and ones. Here 3 tens means 3 step up we will move. First we find where is 66. Here is 66. Now 3 steps, as 3 tens, then 3 steps up you will move. 1, 2, 3. The number is 36. Now we have 5 ones also. So to subtract 5 ones also we will move back. 1, back counting, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 step back from 36 we will move. The number which we get 31. So our answer is 31. Hope you are understanding very clearly. Let's take another number. Suppose we have 52 and we want to subtract 40. Then how we use number grid to solve this question? First we see where is 52. As we are subtracting 2-digit number, so we will see how many tens and how many ones. Here 4 tens, so 4 step up we will go from 52. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 step. If we go up from 52, then we come on number 12. Now here 0 ones means we will not move backward from 12. Only 4 steps we will go up and directly we are getting our answers, that is 12, because there is no ones to go back. Okay, back and up, they are different things. Up when we subtract tens, and when we move back from that number from where we have gone 4 step back, if ones are there then we will move back. Clear? Up and back is different. We use up steps to subtract tens and we move backward to subtract ones. Hope this concept is clear to you today. Let us solve some questions on page 49. 1 less than 35. We have taken number 35. 1 less than 35. First we see where is 35. Here already circled. 1 less than. Less than means you have to subtract 1 from 35. Means you will step backward 1 step as we are subtracting 1. So number is coming 34. If we move 4 more than 35. Next question is given 4 more than 35. Means we see where is 35. We can rough so that we don't be puzzled. To find our required answer now, we see where is 35. More than means we will add 4. 4 more than 35 means 35 plus 4. What will be the answer? So first we will see where is 35 on number grid, and then we will move forward as we are adding 4 ones. Only 1 digit number. So we will move forward 4 step from 35. 1 step, 2, 3, 4. At 4th step, what number we get? 39. So answer is 39. In this way, we do our mental maths using this concept of number grid. Hope you understand today's concept. One more question I want to tell you. 10 more than 30. 6 less than 84. It means we have to subtract 6 from 84. First we see where is 84 in our number grid. We find here 84. Now 6 we have to subtract, and 6 ones. Only 1 digit number, so we will move back 6 step. 1, 2, 3, then where will go? Not here. We will go here at 80. Clear? 80 before 81, then 80, then we have to move 6 steps. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6 step, what we get? 78. So our answer is 78. Hope today's concept you understand very well. You will do practice at home and learn more. That's for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.